Dear students, today we will study the cleavages. Our chapter is frog embryology, and in frog embryology we have studied the fertilization. After the fertilization, you know that zygote formation takes place. So in the development of embryo in frog, so after the zygote formation, there is the cleavages, and cleavages means the division of zygote in the cells. zygote formation झालं की that is diploid. दोन सेल मिळून एक सेल तयार झाला. दोन सेल म्हणजे एक स्पर्म आणि एक ओव्हा दोन्हीचं फ्युजन होऊन फर्टिलायझेशन होऊन झायगोट फॉर्मेशन झालं. सो स्पर्म इज अ हॅप्लॉइड सेल, ओव्हा इज अ हॅप्लॉइड सेल. Two haploid cells are combined together, fused together and form the zygote, which is a diploid cell. And in that diploid cell, after some times, there is a division. So there is a division in the zygote. So that division in the zygote is the developmental process, and that is called as the cleavage. So remember here, simply cleavage means the division of zygote into the numerous cells, into the many cells. So here, that is a multicellular. पुष्कळ अशा सेल्स तयार होतात. झायगोट डिवाइड होऊन प्रथमतः दोन सेल तयार होतात. सो टू सेगमेंट or two cells of the zygote. So that is the two cell stage, and cleavage is the first. So here, first we will see the cleavages. So cleavage is the division of zygote, and that division is a mitotic division, mitosis. Mitosis and meiosis cell division जी आहे. तो mitosis जी cell division आहे, so it is the mitosis or it is a mitotically division of the zygote into many cells by the mitosis. Here it results, the cleavage results thousands of cells. 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, 16 cell stage. In this way, there is the thousands of cells in that zygote, and now that cells are called as the blastomeres. Remember that cells now called as the blastomeres. Due to the cleavage furrow or due to the cleavages, the number of cells are increasing in the zygote. So that becomes thousands, that becomes numerous. Now that is called as the blastomeres. Remember, in the objective type question in examination, MCQ may be asked, the zygote divides into thousands of cells. That cells are called dash. So that cells are called as the blastomeres. Now in frog, the entire zygote divides. Complete zygote divides. So such cleavages is called as the total or holoblastic type of cleavage. The cleavage in which zygote totally divides. Zygote divides entire, means complete, total. So that is called as the total cleavage or holoblastic type of cleavage. So remember, in the frog, there is the holoblastic type of cleavage, or there is the total cleavage in frog. Now, division at animal pole is a rapid, very fast. So you know that the egg or the zygote having the two poles, this is the animal pole and this is the vegetal pole. So division at the animal pole is rapid means fast, and division at the vegetal pole is slow. Remember, these are some very important events in the development in the cleavages. Division or multiplication of the cells at animal pole is rapid and it is slow in the vegetal pole because due to the presence of yolk. Presence of the yolk. So here cleavage occurs at about an hour. Cleavage occurs at about hour. And it is also depends on the factors, environmental factors like the temperature, abiotic factors. So cleavage occurs at about an hour, but it is depend on the environmental factors. Here the temperature is important factors for the occurring the cleavages. Now we will study the cleavage pattern. So cleavage patterns here, this is the zygote. Now there is the cleavage furrow. There is the dividation. So that zygote is divided into two cell stage. So two cell stage means it is the first cleavage. First cleavage. First cleavage. So remember in the first cleavage, the zygote divides into two cell stage. Then second cleavage here, there one cleavage and another cleavage, two furrows. So that divides the zygote into four cell stage. दोन सेल आहे, दोन सेलच्या चार सेल झाले. So that is the second cleavage, and in the second cleavage, total there are four divisions or four cell stage. दोन सेल डिवाइड झाले, चार मध्ये झाले. आता ह्या चार सेल डिवाइड होतील तर 8 सेल स्टेज, 4 च्या 8, 8 च्या 16, 16 च्या 32, 32 च्या 64 in this way. So second cleavage is here and there is the 4 cell stage. Here third cleavage, so 8 cell stage. Here fourth cleavage, 16 cell stage. Here fifth cleavage, 32 cell stage. In this way, the number of blastomeres are increasing. Number of cells are increasing. There are so many types of the mitosis, cell division are there. So one thing here you remember, the division at the animal pole is rapid and division at the vegetal pole is slow. So another point here you have to remember, so the cells which is toward the animal pole, they are smaller in comparison to the cells which are towards the vegetal pole. So the small cells which is towards the animal pole, they are called as the micromeres or microblastomeres. Microblastomeres. You know micro means smaller and mega means larger. This is the comparison micro and mega, which is also called as the mega is also called as the macro. So micro and macro or micro and mega. So the cells or the blastomeres which is towards the animal pole, they are the smaller. They are called as the micromeres. And the cells which is towards the vegetal pole, they are the larger and they are called as the megameres or micromeres. So dear students, here you remember and note the cleavages pattern. First cleavage, second cleavage, third cleavage, fourth cleavage, fifth cleavage. In this way, there is a cleavage, and during each time, the number of cells are double. So zygote divides into two cells, then 4 cells. Then 4 again divided into the 8. 8 divided into 16. 16 divided into 32. 32 divided into 64. And 64 divided into 100 and how many? In this way, the number of cells are increasing and it forms a solid ball-like structure. A ball-like structure. Now that is called as the morula. Again in the morula, in the center, a force is created and all the cells are thrown towards the sides and an empty space is formed in the center. Again there is the division of the cells and again it forms a compact ball-like structure. So that is the remaining part of that is the पुढे आपल्याला ते अभ्यास that we will study in the next bit. So for today, the cleavage we have studied here. एका पिरियड मध्ये एक पॉइंट आपण अभ्यासत आहोत. तो पॉइंट चांगलं तुमच्या ध्यानात यायला पाहिजे. त्या पॉइंट बद्दल काही शंका असेल, काही अडचण असेल तर तुम्ही मोबाईलवरती विचारू शकता, फोन करून विचारू शकता. विदाउट एनी हेरिटेज, विदाउट एनी कुठल्याही मनामध्ये संकोच न ठेवता तुम्ही विचारायचं. काय अडचण असेल ते अभ्यासामधली विचारायचं. सो हियर these are the figures of the cleavage pattern, and in the biology, means in the botany and zoology or fishery, when you are sketching figure, you should give the name to the figure. Here figure cleavages. बायोलॉजीच्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये बॉटनी असेल किंवा झुलॉजी असेल, तुम्ही फिगर काढलं तर फिगरच्या खाली फिगरचं नाव द्यायचं की कशाची फिगर काढली तुम्ही. अँड यू हॅव टू स्केच द फ्री हँड फिगर व्हेरी फास्ट. इन द डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह examination, figure having equal weightage, 50% weightage, 50% marks to the figure and 50% marks to the description, or sometimes 40% marks are toward the figure, 60% marks toward the description. So figure is very essential, very important in the descriptive type of study. Nowadays, due to the corona, our examination is in the form of MCQs, objective types. So dear student, study this very well. I am preparing notes. Your syllabus is a new syllabus. I am not having the ready-made notes. I am preparing the notes. I am typing that notes and I will give. That will be helpful for your study. And you also study the books as per the syllabus. सिलेबसमध्ये जे जे पॉईंट दिलेले ते पॉईंट तुम्ही पुस्तकामधून सुद्धा अभ्यासाचे. डेव्हलपमेंटल बायोलॉजीचे पुस्तक घ्यायचे किंवा इम्ब्रिओलॉजी, कुठल्याही ऑथरचं असेल इम्ब्रिओलॉजीचं, कोऑर्डिनेट इम्ब्रिओलॉजी किंवा व्हर्टिब्रेट इम्ब्रिओलॉजी, त्याच्यामध्ये सिलेबसनुसार एक एक चॅप्टर आहे. सिलेबसनुसार एक एक पॉईंट अभ्यासाचं आणि नोट्समध्ये सुद्धा अभ्यासाचं. सो स्टुडंट्स, सेंड युअर प्रेझेंटी ॲज अर्ली ॲज पॉसिबल. For today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.